Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Nissan Pathfinder ST, stock reference number 4750. This shape runs from the 5th month 2005 through to the 6th month 2007. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight. Aftermarket snorkel, supplied with all bolts and fittings. 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left front. Left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has a small dent and a light fold on the rear edge. Left rear, factory alloy mag, 16-inch with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light does have some light scratches. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, a less neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, standard heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor and right hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.